So, ayan. Hi guys. So, for today's video, syempre, unboxing pa rin tayo ng stationery items. So, ayan. Open na natin siya. Matagal ko na itong na-receive. Actually na naman. Hindi ko lang talaga siya na-unbox agad. I don't know if these are stickers, memo pads, or mga useful items. Sobrang tagal na ma-unbox, hindi na matandaan. So, okay, naalala ko na. So, I'll just remove this one. Tanggalin na natin sa plastic. Wait lang. So, first item natin is, wait, na-stuck siya sa loob. So, here, first item natin is itong, kita nyo na ba guys? Here, it's a Pochaco sticker box set. So, there are washi tapes here and pet sticker sheets. So, ito yung mga design niya. This one is Sanrio license from Joytop, sorry. Next item natin is here. Okay, we have sticker books, Kawaii Girl sticker book. So, 2 variations yung kinuha ko. This is the pink one and the purple one. Next natin is another sticker book. Next is Sanrio memo pads. So, na family in design. So, ayan yung mga design niya nasa likod. Actually, meron na akong ganito pero kumuha pa ako ng isa kasi super cute yung design niya. Next natin is here. Hello Kitty sticker book. So, yan. Sakto naka-open siya. Wala siyang plastic. So, I'll show you the inside. First love ko sa Sanrio si Hello Kitty talaga. So, ayan. So, it's 3. Pare-pareho lang to guys. And last natin is here. These are paper soap. So, ang design ng box niya is may Pochaco, may Melody, Kuromi yung purple. Tama ba? Little Twin Star yung isa. Tapos, si Hangyodon and si Sina. So, that's it for our unboxing video for today. Thank you for watching. Until next unboxing video.